Barbecue fam? Today we're doing up the Bored and Hungry Bored OG Burger. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So the Bored OG Burger is from a restaurant that was a pop-up for the Bored Ape Yacht Club. And anyway, it was a 90-day startup, and they're going to be open fully. So this is a really basic smash burger. They come in a couple different versions. There's an onion one, and then there's also vegan ones as well. We're going to be utilizing a char griller, 3-burner flat top. We're making 2 good-sized smash burgers, a secret sauce, and it's just pickles on regular bun. Toast that up, rock and roll. Let's see what this is. It seems like a real basic, straightforward burger, and with a little, the secret sauce is going to be something good. And it seems like they use a lot of pepper they pepper up their fries, which looks killer. So I'm going to do a little pepper in that secret sauce as well. Give yourself a couple 80-20 beef, ground beef, and we're going to smash these up, and we're going to hit them with a little bit of salt once we flip, hit it with cheese. And then we're gonna put the buns on, crown it on the griddle, then pull it off, do the base with the secret sauce, pickles, put it together. Oh hell yeah, this is gonna be awesome. So you wanna go 3 parts mayo, 1 part ketchup, and then as an alternative, you could use a dash of paprika and a dash of garlic powder. You whisk that up, maybe a dash of pepper if you wanna spice it up a little bit, and that's a great secret sauce. You just let it set in the fridge for a couple hours and it's ready to rock. It gets better the longer it sets together. Just a couple hours and it's gonna be good. You store it in your fridge for a couple days, it's gonna be amazing. Secret sauce goes well with a lot of things, so rock on with this smash burger. You're gonna love it. So get your griddle fired up and let's get to smashing. We're gonna get this on. A little bit of avocado oil. Down, rock and roll. So the burners that we're smashing the burgers over, on high. Where the buns are gonna be on low. You wanna make sure that flat top is really hot for these smash burgers to get that nice crisp on that burger. Oh hell yeah. Ooh, let's leave that on there. Just kosher salt.
Give me a hell yeah!
Oh yeah. Little bit thicker of a smash, so you got a little bit of rare burger. Oh hell yeah. Let's give the OG burger a try.
I said give me a hell yeah!
That's a messy burger. Damn. That rocks, dude. Wow. And when you get that crispy surface to the burger, the pickles, the secret sauce, the cheese, freaking just dropped a big old glob of cheese. Oh boy. It's a pretty damn good burger. So folks, that is my take on the Bored Ape Yacht Club's restaurant. The Bored and Hungry OG Burger. Oh hell yeah, you guys gotta give it a try. It's amazing. So secret sauce, how I did this version was 3 parts mayo, 1 part ketchup, and a couple dashes of Uncle Steve's smoke bomb. Whisk that together, let it hang out for a couple hours, and then put that on the bottom of the bun. Place on some thick, thin sliced dill pickles. Get your burgers done, pop them on top. Man, oh hell yeah. It's a burger that you can do quick, easy, and it's pretty damn delicious. Secret sauce, smash burgers, can never go wrong.
I said give me a hell yeah!
You just let it set in the fridge for a couple hours and it's ready to rock. It gets better the longer it sets together. Obviously not past molding and such, but